Walmart app problems after an Android update are usually caused by app permissions, outdated app files, cached data, or the Walmart app needing an update. By the end of this video, you'll know how to fix Walmart issues after an Android update, including crashes, loading problems, missing features, and login issues. Start by checking Walmart app permissions on your Android phone. Android updates can change app settings, which may stop features from working correctly. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Walmart, and review the permissions. Enable the permissions needed for the feature you are trying to use. Next, check the Google Play Store for a Walmart app update. A new Android version can require an updated app version to work properly. Open the Play Store, search for Walmart, and install any available update. Keeping the app updated makes sure it is compatible with your phone's software. If Walmart opens but freezes or shows old information, clear the app cache. Cached files store temporary data, and those files can sometimes cause problems after an update. Go to Settings, open Apps, select Walmart. Choose Storage, and select Clear Cache if the option is available. Clearing the cache removes temporary files without deleting your account information. If the app is still not working, force stop Walmart. Open the Walmart app settings and select Force Stop, then reopen the app. Restart your Android phone after making these changes. A restart refreshes background processes that may affect app performance. Check your internet connection if Walmart pages are not loading. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test whether the connection is causing the issue. For account-related problems, sign out of the Walmart app and sign back in. This refreshes the connection between the app and your Walmart account. If Walmart continues crashing or features remain unavailable, reinstall the app. Delete Walmart, download it again from the Google Play Store, and sign back into your account. Make sure you remember your Walmart login details before reinstalling because you will need them after the app is installed again. If the problem started right after an Android update and these steps do not fix it, the issue may require a Walmart app update or a future app fix. To recap, check Walmart permissions, update the app, clear the cache, restart your phone, and reinstall Walmart if needed. Your next step is to open the Google Play Store and check for a Walmart update first. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Walmart troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.